back to a new vlog. So on today's vlog, what I'm doing right now is actually getting ready because I'm going to the store. We are going to Home Depot because I am actually going to be painting this wall behind me. So I am currently in my office right now. I am going to be transforming it. I'm gonna make it like a Limewash back here. I don't know if you guys know about Limewash. I'll post a picture if you're hot. I'm envisioning it to look like just this one wall behind me. And I'm doing like a whole office transformation because I do work from home and I just wanted to feel like an office, and I wanted to be a space where I'm comfortable to come in here, especially that I am in the office almost all day when I am working on the daily. This is where I spend most of my time. I even ordered a desk, so I'm gonna be getting a new desk. That's the ones that stand up, and I'll show you guys all that. So I'm super excited to transform my office. All right, let's go to Home Depot and buy this. So for the paint, it doesn't matter what brand as long as it is water-based, and I got it in flat. You can get it in matte as well. These are the colors I went with, Bone White and Seriously Sand. I also got this brush that's 5 inches, polyester, and is actually a little pricey, but I've seen everybody use this brush for this type of technique. I bought 2 of these plates to put the paint in each one since I bought 2 types of paints. And then I used tape to tape them up together because I wanted to hold it together, especially when I dip the brush. You guys are going to see the technique that I'm going to use, so it's important that you tape them up together. Here I am pouring both of the color paints that I bought. Here is the brush. So I seen one technique where they dipped it in water first, then they dipped it in the paint. As you can tell, I'm dipping it in the middle, so I'm grabbing both of the colors at the same time, and then I switched it up to the wall doing crisscross swatches. That's what I seen everybody doing, but then I noticed that this was dripping water from me dipping the brush in water, so I decided not to dip the brush in water anymore. I like the results without dipping it in water. It was more color to it, and I didn't have to do a lot of coats, just 2 coats on the wall. The one dipped in water was less color on it, so I just decided to stick with not dipping it in water. All right guys, so this is how it looks. Look how pretty it came out. I am so in love with it. It just literally looks like it's lime washed, even though it's not. Yeah. Okay guys, so I am officially done with my room tour, and I was like, let me finish this video that has been going on for like a while. So as you guys can see, my office is semi-done because I still want to add a little bit of more things, but I didn't want this video to keep on going because it's already been 2 weeks that I started this video, from the transformation of coloring that wall to buying the desk and building it to organizing it and making it feel like an office. And the reason for this whole transformation on my office is because I spend 100% of my time here throughout the week, especially that I work from home. I just wanted to make it feel like a room that I would want to step into every day and just make it feel comfortable, you know what I mean? Especially that I do calls from here, I work from here, like this is like my comfort zone. Let's give you guys a little tour of my room. Okay, so let's start off with this little section here. Of course, I already showed you guys how to DIY the Limewash effect on the wall, which I am obsessed with. It just came out so beautiful, and yeah, if you try it, let me know how yours goes. The frame right here is from Amazon. I will link it down below. If you follow me on social media, you already seen that I already shared the link on my Instagram. I just love the touch that it gives. It has a lot of neutral colors in there, lots of blacks and grays, and it just matches perfectly with this wall. Moving on to my little table right here. This is actually from Amazon. It was actually in my bedroom, but I decided to put it over here for now. I'm thinking of buying another one that's black just to kind of throw off the frame colors on here. But for now, we're using this over here, and I'll most likely put this back in my bedroom because I really liked it in my bedroom. I used it as a vanity, and I had like my beautiful vintage mirror that I bought a long time ago as well. So yeah, it's from Amazon. I'll have the link for anything that's from Amazon down below on the description bar. And we have this beautiful vintage bowl right here. I actually thrifted this, a brassy bowl, and I really love it. I feel like it gives it a touch of vintage in the room. And these petals are actually from Target, the dollar spot section. I've been having them for a while, and I just feel like they go perfectly with the wall color. It's just really, really cute. Books right here that are actually from Amazon as well. I love any home decor books, interior design books. They look super cute as decor, but not only that, I get a lot of tips in there. I love to go over them and just get inspiration. So I love having them as decor as well. So that is that little section. Now let's move on to the desk. All right, so here we are in the desk section. My chair, guys, it is super dirty. My son loves to climb on my chair. There's like markers and colors all over it because of him. He likes to climb in there when I'm not looking and makes a mess in like seconds. So yeah, so my chair is actually from Amazon as well. I bought this a long time ago when I first started real estate because I needed an office, and that's how I've had this one for a while, and it's neutral. It matches my decor, so I don't think I'm gonna get any new one anytime soon, but it's actually from Amazon, so you can find it there. You can rise it up and you can rise it down, so I really, really love it. It's super comfy, and it's like a velvet material, which I love. I mean, my chair could be comfy for a while, but like I don't like sitting for a long time, so I had to get a stand-up desk. It comes with 3 drawers, and I love it. And it has like so much space. Now I can put decor up here. Before, my other desk that's actually from Target, it didn't really have a lot of space, and I was always so cluttered, and I hated that. So right here are the levels to rise up the desk. You can go up. You can keep pressing the button if you want, or you can adjust them right here on these numbers. If I press number 2, that's the one that lifts all the way up. So I already have it adjusted to the height that I want it, and as you can see, it's going up. It goes up really, really high. So as you can see, I can stand it all the way up, and I really, really like that I can work like this now. I am super comfortable. It still goes more up, so I already had it adjusted like I said. But look how tall it gets. Like, I am 5'2", and this is literally, it goes right here to my chest section. And it is pretty tall. And yeah, I really love how you can adjust it. So if you're interested in this, link is down below. I also love the drawers, the 3 drawers that it has, because I can organize everything now. I actually did an organization little quick video on TikTok, so go follow my TikTok of how I organized all this. Those are like so cool. I love watching them. But yeah, this is all I have in there, my pins and stuff. I love how I have so much room for it. Before, I didn't have a lot of room to organize everything perfectly, as you can see. Love this. And then up here, I have my laptop with my laptop stand that I got on Amazon, mouse pad, and my mouse that I got from Target, which I love it so much. I don't know about you guys. I know my laptop has a mouse, but I just like to use this mouse. It is so fast, especially when editing videos. I like to edit with a mouse. Right here I have my little pencils, which I don't really have a lot of pencils on here anymore because I have everything organized on my desk. I actually found this little organizer at the 99-cent store for like $2.99. And then I have my business card. Contact me if you're looking for a house to buy or sell. So I have my business cards right here. And then I love how it has all this space underneath here. So I have the shelf up here, right, to put like decor or whatever I want, and then I have this space down here where it doesn't have to look messy, and I can just put stuff down there. I have these notebooks in here that I love to use, so I always need like notepads here just ready for me to grab it, because sometimes I get a phone call and I have to write notes, especially when it's a lot of things that they're telling me. And then I have this notes and plans planner that I love. So the reason I love this notebook is because as a real estate agent, you have to keep yourself on a schedule, especially being your own business, being your own boss. Like, I have to have a schedule for myself. So I always come on here every day and write my schedule for the next day. That way in the morning I already have my schedule. I put any appointments that I have that day, which I love. It lets you choose the day that you're in. Top priorities. I always have to have top priorities because I have so many things to do in my life. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I'm a real estate agent. So I always put right here like what's more important that day, or if not, if I don't know what's more important, I'm just gonna go and do whatever I put on my list. And sometimes I might leave the important stuff out. It does have a to-do, task list, and follow-up calls and emails. This is like a must for me. I needed this section. I don't know who created this notebook, but it's like chef's kiss, because I always have to follow up with people. Every day I'm calling somebody, every day I'm either emailing somebody, so it's like a must. On this side, it's the note section. I write so many notes, especially talking on the phone, especially when I need to remember something. I write so many notes on the daily. Like, there's something always going on this side of the page. So just having these two things together in one page just makes my life easy. I used to have like a notebook for notes, a notebook for my schedule, a notebook for my to-do list. No, that was just so confusing because sometimes I'll be like at the office and I'll be like, oh my god, I forgot my to-do list. I don't know what to do no more, or I forgot my follow-up list and I don't know who to call. So this, if you're a person that runs your own business or you're always busy and wants to keep yourself accountable, like, or you're in college, like, this is like a notebook that you should buy, and I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. Another notepad that I love, this one right here, is actually for when I have meetings. If you're a person that has a lot of meetings at work, I recommend this one. This is the reason why. For example, this meeting right here that I did in July was about 203K rehab loans. We learned about that. Gives you objectives, agenda, and then you can write your notes. You can write action items, due, like when is a due date or something. These are just like awesome. Use these books so much because we always have meetings. Like, I'm always learning something new in real estate, so I love to put everything here because I can go back and remember, oh, I did a 203K loan. Somebody's asking me, oh, I forgot. Let me go back and look at my notes. So these are like a must, guys. If you guys are real estate agents or just anybody that's busy, recommend these. I'll link them down below. Here, as you guys can see, I have my calendar that's actually from Target. It's a really cute calendar. We are barely in November right now. I think it's November 4th or 5th. November 5th right now. I need to fill up the new November month. I just ripped this page off, but I've been super busy these days. This clear desk pad that I actually bought on Amazon is really small. It's just to like cover my calendar. They do sell bigger ones that you can buy as a measurement of your desk that I have actually in my daughter's room. But for me, I already had this with my other desk, which was smaller, and I just kept this one. I mean, it does fine. If I need to put anything up here, I just put it up here so it won't ruin the desk. Like, for example, I always keep coasters in my desk because I always have coffee, water, and I don't like to ruin my furniture. My coasters are actually down below right here. That's why I love these little shelves, because I could put everything out of the way. So here are my little coasters. Here is my tape. It didn't fit in the drawer, so I have to put it out here. And then I have just like this little calendar that I ordered from Shein, but I love the vibe and I love the color. It's just really small. I was thinking of getting rid of the big one just to have like this little minimal one, but I don't think my stuff is gonna fit on the little square, so I might just not use it. I don't know yet. All right, moving on to up here is just more decor. Like I told you guys, a lot of these things are old. I can't link any of these, but this one's actually handmade by a candle artist here in Bakersfield. I forgot the company, but I bought it like a year ago. And it is just super cute. I have these books that are actually vintage as well. I've never read them, don't even know what they're about. These are actually from Goodwill. I always look at books. Sometimes I have a cover and I look underneath, see if it's like a pretty color that I like, and I'll buy it from Goodwill, even though I don't know anything about it. Moving on over here, this tray is actually from Home Goods. I just thought it was really pretty. I bought it a long time ago. It was actually with my vanity in my room with this flower pot that's actually from Marshall's. So cute. I have this really cute stand right here that says mindset is everything. I need to read this once in a while because Lord, I be getting into my feelings sometimes. And the other side says, if you want it, work for it. Because in real estate, guys, if you want it, you have to work for it, or else you don't make money in this business. And I found it at Hobby Lobby. Super cute. Hobby Lobby always has like a really cute desk decor, so check out Hobby Lobby. Moving on over here. So over here is more of like my transaction board. I want to do like a transaction right here. If you're a real estate agent, you know how transaction boards look. They're like lines, and you always put when you started the contract and to the end of the contract, you put everything on there. So I'm thinking of doing that with my Cricut, the lines, and kind of like putting it there with vinyl. This whole board is a magnet. That's why I love it. And then I have like cute little photos of my babies and me and my family right here. I have my bookshelf right here. Over here, just more decor. My Mexican beautiful pot that I actually bought in San Diego. I forgot the store, but there's this store in San Diego that sells like really cute pots from Mexico, and I just fell in love with this one. I want to add more of these. They're really cute fake like weeds. I don't know.
little flowers. They look very vintage. I bought them off Hobby Lobby, but I need to buy more to fill up the pot, which I always forget when I go to Hobby Lobby. And this really pretty frame that's actually from TJ Maxx. How cute and vintage. I want to put a photo of me and my babies and my husband on there. I have my gold hooks that are from Target. I recently got them, so you can find it at Target. And I just hang my purses there. This is like my open house purse if you watched my other video. This is my everyday purse going to the office and doing work in the office. I take my laptop in there. I like to put everything in there. And this is just like if I'm gonna go to a meeting real quick, I'll just take that without taking everything else, and I just put my laptop in there. So those are important purses that I use all the time. We have packages right there that I am actually throwing Leo's third birthday party boxes that I need to open for his birthday, and that'll be on my next video, preparing for Leo's birthday party, which is gonna be like space theme. So all that stuff in there are like space themed. So if you guys want to watch my next video, subscribe to watch it. Super cute mirror that's actually from Amazon. I'll have a link for it on the description box as well. I've been having that for years already, for a lot of years. And then I have, if you guys can see this rag back here, ignore this please. This is actually what my husband uses to cover his beautiful Legos over here, which are in my office as well. He is a Lego collector, so as you guys can see, he needs room for that. And that little spot right there that's empty, we're actually saving it. He's gonna buy another shelf of these to add it there because he has so many other Legos in the boxes and he needs to like, yeah, this is why we need another house. In the future, we're gonna need like 5 bedrooms in our next house because this dude wants his own room with his Legos. As you guys can see, he's gonna need it. So that is the plan. But for now, he's in here and I get to see his beautiful Legos that he says are worth a lot of money. You know, gives me motivation to work harder so he can keep buying Legos. Just kidding, he already works himself. I'm thinking of moving this drawer over there. I'm still thinking about it because he needs room to open that. I'm thinking of adding like a really pretty sofa right there, like super cute, that matches my decor. I hope you guys liked my little tour. This is like my sanctuary. This is like my vibe, and I'm so obsessed with it. And every day that I come in here, I am so happy. Like, it just gives me motivation to work, you know what I mean? But I am done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my office tour as you guys came with me and kind of put it together a little bit in the beginning of the video. I know I didn't finish organizing it with you guys, but this video has been going on for 2 weeks. It's literally 2 weeks today that we started the office renovation, and I'm still not finished, but it's kind of semi-finished. I just need that little section over there to buy those seats, and that's about it. But other than that, like, this is finished. This is what I need more than anything, my desk where I work. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of my office room transformation, and if you have any other ideas of other videos I should film, let me know in the comments down below. And for sure the next video is going to be preparing for Leo's 3rd birthday. It's going to be space themed, so I'm super excited about that. I'm actually going to start that video tomorrow, but for now I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.